Type 20. Logic and deductions. These questions will present you with written information. You will have to make deductions from the information provided. Now, these questions can look quite complicated, so it's best to arrange the information that you're given in an organized way. For example, Ron leaves home at 15:15 and arrives at the track at 15:45. Sam only gets to the track at 15:51. Joe takes twice as long as Sam to get to the track, but arrives at the same time. Ron and Joe leave home at the same time. So what time does Sam leave home? On the face of it, that's quite confusing, so organize your information. Set up a quick table and figure out what information you've been given. You've got the who's, the time they left, the length of their journeys, and the time of arrival. So let's add into the table what we know. What do we know about Ron? Well, he left at 15:15 and he arrived at 15:45. Okay, so what do we know about Sam? Well, Sam arrived at 15:51 and Joe takes twice as long as Sam to get there. So we give Joe's length of journey a value of 2x because Sam's length of journey is x, and of course Joe is twice Sam's journey. So what else do we know? Well, we know that Joe arrived at the track at the same time as Sam, and we know that Joe left for the track at the same time as Ron. So we now have most of the information we've been given. We can now figure out how long Joe took to get to the track. And Ron takes 30 minutes and Joe takes 36 minutes. So 2x equals 36 minutes. So to figure out how long Sam took, we just take the x. So 36 divided by 2 is 18 minutes. So now we know how long Sam took and what time he arrived. So a simple deduction will get you to the time that he left. 15:33, and there's your answer. What time does Sam leave home? He leaves home at 15:33. And there's your answer. Here's another example. Now this is a little bit simpler, but you must just use both statements, combine them and see which statements are true. So you read the first two statements and then underline any of the four that must be true. So lions are animals, animals are not stone. Two simple statements. So, lions are cruel. Well, nowhere in those first two statements is there cruelty mentioned, so that can't be true. Lions are flesh. Well, animals are flesh, and lions are animals, but flesh is not mentioned, so let's not go there, because animals are not stone does not necessarily mean that they are flesh. They could be made of something else. Lions are not stone. Okay, well, lions are animals and animals are not stone, so that is certainly true. And your last one, lions are animals because they hunt. Well, that's not given in any of the first two statements, so only the third statement can absolutely be considered true because lions are animals, animals are not stone, therefore lions are not stone.